We're here at Sheridan Park. Woke up for sunrise.
Yeah, but there was a storm last night, so a bunch of trees fell in the path and we can't make it down to the lake. Plus, it is cloudy out because of the storm, so there's no sunrise. We got a fallen tree in the path.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm feeling good this morning. We're at the Milwaukee Public Market. Masks are required. Everyone's real happy here though.
We are sitting at the bus stop for the Hop. It's the streetcar that runs through Milwaukee. We are at the Milwaukee Brat House and we're about to have some pretzel with beer cheese and
Yummy
a brat.
Milwaukee brat.
Yeah. This is a jumbo pretzel. I don't even know where to start on this thing. They just gave me 2 knives.
We just got out of the Wisconsin Cheese Mart. We got our cheese on.
We are on the Milwaukee Riverwalk.
We're walking off our lunch.
Yeah, walking off that big lunch and headed to Lakefront Brewery.